Today I'm going to show you how you can use an AI editor, not for coding, but to analyze your SEO data. I promise you this is going to give you more insights than any tool you've used. I'm going to show you how I analyze my Google Analytics data, my Google Search Console data, YouTube data, and other sources like Mtomo, put them all together. And the most important thing that it can do is do cross data set analysis, which is going to give you more insights. Because before, I just looked at each data set individually. Yes, that's nice, but the amount of insight you can get when you combine those data together and cross-reference them is going to blow your mind. So let's get into it. All right, before I show you how I download the data and do an analysis in an AI editor, I just want to show you the results. The problem I have is I have websites with over 100 blog posts and they're not getting anywhere. They're not getting the growth I want. And I realized the issue is not actually creating more content. The issue is identifying what content to create and what content to improve. So the back-end work of thinking about your content strategy is more important than churning out generic content. Now, what's really insightful is when you have cross data set insights, when you combine different sets of data and gives you insights. What I've done in the past is look at each data set individual. I looked at Google data, I looked at my YouTube data individually, and the insights are like this, right? You see your click-through rates, your average position, your top performing pages, which regions give you the most traffic. This is nice. We've all seen this like a million times, but it's hard to action on it, right? Even though you have this information, what does it mean? So let's go into the cross-data insight analysis, and it's giving me some really interesting results. So in this scenario, I have my YouTube data as well as my website data, and sometimes I have my YouTube embedded in my blog. And you can see that my PDF extraction content is number 1 on YouTube and also my top website page. So that's great. It combines together, right? For some of my web pages, I should have also a YouTube video to increase the engagement, and that makes sense. And so I've identified some pages that don't have YouTube content, and then I created them as well. Now, what's interesting next is that I have some content that performs well on YouTube, but not well on my blog. And you have another example where something performs well on my blog, but not so well on my YouTube. So this is an interesting thing that makes me think about maybe different content suits different channels. Okay, so this is another interesting one. So YouTube people like shorter content, website people like longer content, YouTube people like how-tos, and website people want comparison content. So this helps me think about the content I want to generate. But also interesting is that YouTube brings the most engaged users from my site. So definitely need to create more YouTube. And it can also tell me more about number of subscribers. Long videos bring in way more people than short videos. And then this compares my Mtomo data with my YouTube data. And if you don't have Mtomo, I have another video on how to set up Mtomo and what it is. It gives you more details about each visitor's behavior on your site. YouTube is bringing the most engaged users to my site. There's a lot more analysis and a lot more insights that I gained from this cross data set analysis, and I hope this inspires you. And so now let's get into how do you actually do it. I'm going to show you how to download reports from Google, and then how do you actually use an AI editor to analyze with the prompts. To do the analysis, the first step is to download all your data. So come into your Google Analytics, go to share this report, download file, and download CSV. So you want to go into all your reports, your acquisition, your engagement, and then just click download reports, right? So here I go download CSV, boom. Go ahead and download that. So next you go to Google Search Console, you come to performance, and there's an export button on the top right. Just click that and download as a CSV. Now you might want to adjust the timeline setting to a longer period to allow the AI to have more data. The key is cross data set analysis. The more data you have from different sources, the more insight you're going to have. So I have a YouTube channel, and so you can come to YouTube Studio, come to Analytics, click on the See More, and again you can export the data as a CSV. So I have a Mtomo, and Mtomo gives you records of all your visitors and what they're doing, and I'm going to export this as well. So I'll come to visitor log, and here there's an export button, and I can export it as a CSV. Okay, now that you've downloaded all your CSV data, we have to analyze it. And how do you do that? Well, I recommend using an AI editor such as Windsurf. You can get bonus credits if you use my referral code below, but there's other tools like Cursor, Klein, there's a bunch of them you can use. It doesn't matter which one you use. All you need to do is, I have all these files that I've downloaded, the CSV files. I just need to drag and drop them into the Explorer. Okay, so once you've dropped in your files, you just need to select your files and then drag and drop them into your chat dialog. After you've dropped in the file, all you need to do is prompt it. And you can say, hey, analyze all the data from Google Analytics and Google Search Console and give me suggestions on how to improve traffic. Once you hit enter, it'll do a bunch of analysis, and then it'll give you some insights. Your top performing pages are these, recommendations. So already giving you some really good insights. Now this is the key. The key is to do cross data set analysis. So the prompt is, can you uncover any insights by combining several data sets? And it'll give you some really interesting things like, oh, mobile users are more engaged than desktop users. Referral traffic gives you the highest engagement. And then I added the YouTube data, and it gave me even more cross data set insight, which is even more powerful. There are certain videos that perform well both on YouTube and my blog, but then there are some that only perform well on blog and some that perform only well on YouTube. So really interesting cross data set insights. Then of course I ask it, hey, what are the videos I need to make for YouTube, and vice versa. I can ask, based on my YouTube videos, what content should I make for my blog? And you can ask it more detailed questions like, hey, are my reels bringing more, short reels bringing more people, or my long videos bringing more subscribers? So basically you can chat with your data using AI, and you can ask it anything. So finally I dropped in my Mtomo data as well, and it gave me some analysis between Mtomo and YouTube. Really interesting insights as well. So that's how you basically generate cross data set. If you're an entrepreneur like me, maybe this is good enough for you. But I have people who bought my course and they have to show an SEO report to a client. I'm going to show you how you can generate the report that I did at the very beginning of this video. All right, let's say you have a client or you have a boss or somebody you have to show this report to, and you don't just want to show them text. There's a tool called vzero.dev. You can sign up for it, and basically you just copy all the text from your analysis in Windsurf, copy and paste it in there and say, hey, you are an SEO expert consultant. You have analyzed the data and created a report. Can you turn this report into a website for showing a client? Just press enter. The AI will do its magic, and then you'll be given this report that you can share with whoever you want. And so that's how you collect the data, do cross data set analysis, and then create a beautiful report for anybody. If you like this video, hit the like and subscribe. If you want to automate this entire process and have this done for you while you're sleeping, check out my AI agent system in the link below.